Hi there. You're going to be making a butterfly today. I'm going to show you how to do it. And this will stand for your final art project, even if you have not done anything with the mural yet. The point was just to get you to learn how to do some painting. So you have your art kit. You need your art kit. Go get that. You can pause me. And then you can come back and start. We'll start here. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a pencil. Yay! So we're going to go and start with the center. Do a body. I just kind of shape. You could just do an oval. That's fine. Right? You could just do it like that. There. And a wing. Woo, just a curve out, and then a curve up again, and then a curve from the bottom of the wing out and back to the body. Let's do another wing. Fairly similar. Does not have to be completely symmetrical or the same on both sides. And then we're going to do from the bottom of the wing a curve around back to the body. Okay, and then I'm going to put these, of course you need your antenna, maybe your eyes, and then we can put in these spaces, or not spaces, but shapes. Put in the shapes. And you can make them the same on both sides, you can make them different. It's your butterfly, you decide how your butterfly wants to roll. Then we're going to put in some more shapes up here. Good enough. There we go. There's our butterfly shape. And if we want to see it a little clearer, I can just outline it quickly. Do-de-do. Circle, 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 circle. And antenna. And the wing. And space, and space, and space. Yes, it is easier to see when you outline it in marker. And the marker shouldn't mix in, especially if you use a permanent, but this is not a permanent one. We'll see how it goes. All right, good enough. Now, I've got my outline. Now, you need to get your paints, and you need to set up your palette thusly. I use just a plastic lid to a takeout container. So if you still have paint on your palette, this is called a palette. Anything you put your paint on is a palette. And so it needs to be some kind of plasticky and sturdy. A lid from like a yogurt container, or this is a takeout container. And then I can, if I don't use all the paint, look what I can do. I can put it right on. This is not the right size, but I can just snap it back on, and it stays for a long time in a takeout container. So I've got all my paints on here, purple, green, blue, white, black, red, orange, and yellow. So then I'm going to get you need your flat brush and your round brush. Once you have those, you also need water in any kind of, this is just a yogurt container, any kind of container, and you need a rag or paper towel. All right, now we're going to start with the background. So I'm going to wet my brush, and let's see, I'll bring this in so you guys can see. And then I'm going to just start with the background, because if I paint on the butterfly and I've finished the butterfly completely, and then I paint on it while doing the background, that is not okay. So it's better to work back to front. Do your background first. So you might need another lid to do mixing of paint, because I want to do this kind of color. So that is a little bit of yellow and the orange that we have, and white. If you add white to any color,